Namashvaya, good morning, dear ones. Last class we started learning a new lesson for our sum 2, a tree for all. Do you remember what we have learned in that lesson? Yes, we have learned about a special tree called banyan tree. Where does a banyan tree we can see? We can see most of them in villages. Why? They need wide open places to grow. That's why we cannot see them in cities. Okay, cities, a lot of buildings are there, huge buildings are there. There no sufficient space for banyan trees to grow. Okay, that's why. And then we learned it is the largest, one of the largest trees in India. And it looks like a, how does it look like? It looks like a palace on pillars. And what's special about them? They are not like other trees. They are having many branches and many trunks. Most of the trees are having a main trunk and branches are at the top, but this banyan tree is having many small trunks rising from the base of the trunk, main trunk itself. And what the other speciality, huge roots are coming down like pillars, and which fix into the soil and give support to the branches. Okay, and those type of roots are called hanging roots. And besides all these, it gives shade to people and shelter for different types of animals. Which are the animals that we can see in a banyan tree? Birds, squirrels, insects, then monkeys, and different types of birds like chirpy sparrows, cooing crows, and noisy mynas. We can see all of them in a banyan tree. That's why banyan tree is known as a little zoo. Okay. Then elephants also love banyan tree. Why? Because it will get more leaves for them to eat. That's why. Okay. Not only banyan tree, all other trees, they help us in different ways. Those who are helping us, we have to consider them as our friends, isn't it? Always those who are helping us in different ways, they are our friends. Here, see in how many ways they help. The trees help us. Many of the trees give us food, fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, all these we get from the plants, isn't it? They give us food, they give us medicines, they give us gum, they give us wood. In many ways they help us. And moreover, they give out oxygen. They give out a special gas called oxygen, a special air called oxygen, which we need for breathing. That also plants are giving out. Plants are breathing out this oxygen to the air. Okay. So we have to consider them as our friends. We should not harm our friends. We should not do any harm to our friends, isn't it? So here also, plants are our friends. That's why we should not harm them. In which way we are harming them? We are unnecessarily cutting down many trees, isn't it? So we should not cut them down. If we need any tree to cut down, what we have to do in turn, we have to grow more trees to make our environment pure. This is the lesson that we have to learn from this chapter. Trees are our friends. We should not cut them down. Here Miss will show you a small video of this lesson. Go through it, enjoy it. Okay, after that you have to read the lesson 5 times and then take your notebook and we can do some opposites. After that we can do textual exercise A and B. Now you can take your textbook, we can do textual exercise now. Okay, Namashivaya.
A tree for all. Have you ever seen a banyan tree? The banyan is a very large tree. It is one of the largest trees that grow in India. A full-grown banyan tree can be as tall as a 3-storied building. It can grow only in wide open spaces, so we do not see many of them in the cities. A banyan tree looks like a palace standing on pillars. It does not have just one main trunk like other trees do. It has many thick branches hanging down like trunks. Roots can be seen coming down from these branches. These roots are called hanging roots. They grow into the ground and look like thin trunks. They support the huge branches of the banyan. The banyan is a very useful tree. It gives shade and shelter to people and animals. Children love to swing from its hanging roots. People like to sit in its shade. A banyan tree is home to many animals. Birds, squirrels, insects and bats can live in a banyan tree. Elephants too love the huge banyan tree. It has lots of leaves for them to eat. Chirpy sparrows, cawing crows and noisy mynas are fond of the banyan tree. It gives them plenty of fruit to eat and a place to live. Trees are our friends. We should not cut them or harm them.
So children, write today's date here. Today is 5th November 5, 11, 20. Okay, let's answer. We are going to do this. Let's answer. Tick the words to complete the sentences. What it is? Tick the words to complete the sentences. A banyan tree can grow as tall as. A banyan tree can grow as tall as. Answers are a palace, a 3-story building, the sky. A banyan tree can grow as tall as a palace or as tall as a 3-story building or as the sky, as tall as the sky. Which is the correct answer? A banyan tree can grow as tall as a 3-story building. As tall as a 3-story building. That is the correct answer. Make a tick there. Okay. Second question. Banyan trees grow in dash. Banyan trees grow in dash. Wide open places, gardens and parks, cities. Where we can see them? Banyan trees, they grow in, yes, are they grow in cities? Or are they growing gardens and parks? No. Where they are growing? They are growing in wide open places. They are growing in wide open places. Okay. And the third one. The roots of a banyan tree that come down from its branches are called dash. The roots of a banyan tree that come down from its branches are called dash. Deep roots, branch roots, hanging roots. Here you have to keep a word in your mind. The roots of a banyan tree that come down. Come down means hanging down. Okay, hanging down from the branches are called, what they are called? They are called hanging roots. They are called hanging roots. So there is a question, what are hanging roots? What are hanging roots? The roots of a banyan tree that come down from its branches are called hanging roots. Okay, then next question. Question B. CIRCLE, circle the correct words to complete the sentences. What it is? Circle the correct words to complete the sentences. First one, rose, palm, banyan. Rose, you know, palm, coconut, and arecanut trees, they are called palm. Palm means mainly coconut. Okay, rose, palm, and banyan trees have one thick trunk. Only one trunk is there. Only one trunk. At the top there are leaves. Which one is having only one trunk? Rose, palm, or banyan? Banyan trees are having many trunks, we have learned. Okay, the correct answer is palm. Palm trees have one thick trunk. Second question, children, elephants, mice. Mouse plural is mice. If it is only one, we can call them as mouse. Rat. If there are more, we can call mice. Children, elephants, mice love to swing from the hanging roots of the banyan. Who loves to sing? Who loves to sing? Yes. Who love to sing from the branches of a banyan tree? Who love? Elephants? No. Mice? No. Then who? Yes, it is children. Children love to swing from the branches of a banyan tree. Third one, we see many banyan trees in, where we can see banyan trees, most of them in museums, cities, or villages. Where we can see most of the banyan trees? Yes, we can see them in, can we see them in museums or cities? No, they need wide open places to grow. So we can see them in villages near temples. Okay, in villages. Next one, fourth one. It looks like a dash. It looks like a palace, biscuit, or bridge standing on pillars. Banyan trees look like a biscuit or bridge. Then how does it look like? It looks like a palace on pillars. Palace on pillars. Next one, birds dash love, hate, draw the banyan tree. Birds, what birds are doing? Birds love them or hate them. What is the correct answer? Yes, birds love them because they love to eat the fleshy fruits of banyan trees. Birds love the banyan tree. Next, number 6. Many animals live in the dash tree. Which tree? We can see many animals in wheat tree, banyan tree, or sugarcane tree. In which tree? Yes, we can see in a banyan tree. We can see many animals in a banyan tree. That's why it is known as Little Zoo. Okay, so this we come to the end of today's session. Now you can take your notebook and write the opposites. Namaskar. Children, today we can write some opposites. Opposite meanings of some words. Okay. The first one, L-A-R-G-E, large. L-A-R-G-E, large, big one. Okay. What is the opposite of large? Small. Largest, smallest. Largest, smallest. Large, small. W-I-D-E, wide. W-I-D-E, wide. The highways are very wide, wide roads. Okay, and our village roads are very narrow. Narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W. Narrow. Wide. What is the opposite of wide? Narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W. Narrow. And next one, O-P-E-N-E-D. What it is? Opened. Open. We can open something and we can open the door. Close the door. Opened, closed. Opened, closed. Plenty. P-L-E-N-T-Y. Plenty. Plenty means a lot of. Plenty of trees are there in the garden. In our school garden, see how many plants are there. Plenty of plants are there. Plenty means a lot of. Scanty, S-C-A-N-T-Y, scanty, a little, insufficient, less number of. Scanty means less number of. Plenty means a lot of. Plenty means a lot of. Plenty, scanty. Next one, huge. Elephant is a huge animal. Tiny. Ant is a tiny one. Huge, tiny. Thin. The papers are very thin, but book is thick. Papers are thin, isn't it? Papers are very thin. Books are thick. Thick, thin, thick. Thick, thin. Opposite words, opposite side also you have to learn. Okay. And next one, see, number 7. Useful. U-S-C-F-U-L. The pen is very useful to us, isn't it? Useless. Useless object or useless person. Like that you have heard, isn't it? Useful, useless. And next one, noisy. Noisy. Making sound always. Noisy. Children are noisy. Children are noisy. Always children make sound. Next, quiet. What's the opposite of noisy? Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Quiet. Without making sound. Quiet. Okay. Once again, see the opposite. Large, small. Small, large. Wide, narrow. Narrow, wide. Opened, closed. Closed, opened. Plenty, scanty. Scanty, plenty. Huge, tiny. Tiny, huge. Thin, thick. Thick, thin. Useful, useless. Careful, careless. Colorful, colorless. While adding LESS, we will get the opposite meanings. Colorful, colorless. Careful, careless. Useful, useless. Noisy, quiet. Quiet, noisy. Okay? Do it. Okay, so this we come to the end of today's session. I hope I have sent one message in all class groups for updation of notes. According to that day, all have to send the notes to me in each week. Okay, in each week, whenever your turns come, that day you have to send your notes to me. Okay, Namaskar.